Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It's a big day in my spacious garage because we're going to fix two problems. Hopefully, we're going to be able to take the E320 for a drive and we're going to find out what's in the trunk. Because since I've purchased the car, I haven't had a key that will open it, and I think there's a way to get inside, just like this. Here she is, Grandma's car, I think is what we decided to call her. I hate to do that, but these are amazing cars, but unfortunately, lots of grandmas do drive them, and taxi drivers, which is okay. So, we've got the car jacked up, and I want to show you where this oxygen sensor lives. If I can get back in here, you need to look. See the blue wire right there? This little guy? You got to follow him all the way down. And then right down there is your oxygen sensor. And the reason I think this is the problem is because, as we told you, the engine is really, really sluggish. Okay, when I started the car when she was at Copart before the auction. She ran great. Then after I got her home, after buying her for this many monies, she ran like crap. And I don't know why. I don't like to think people go out there and ruin cars and rev them and do crazy things to them. I don't know. But I'm thinking that maybe the cat is clogged and that's why she just is stumbling all along. I think this is the video of when I first got her. So what we've done is we have changed the oil now, and let's see how she runs. You want to do that? Let's see what she sounds like. Not good. Can you hear that? Here. Let me just put the microphone down there and see if you can listen. I think that's why there could be a problem with the power. Yeah, I think we have a catalytic converter issue. Okay, but that's another video. Okay, now to get to this oxygen sensor the easy way, as I break everything, in my spacious garage, look at this. I've got like a foot over there and 2 feet over there, and then I got all of this crap. Fenders, everything, because my life is great right now. I love my life here in this apartment. This is the oxygen sensor tool, and it's a really nice one. And you need this type rather than the other type because it's an awkward position to get to. So let me take you underneath the car and we'll try to get this oxygen sensor out. Then we'll give her a start and see if she runs better. If she does, ding, 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 we know what the deal is. All right, let me show you where she lives. She is back up in here. And somehow I've got to get this tool back up in here when there's no room. I don't have any room to do this. So how can I do this? Okay, let me show you what I've done. I went back up on top and I just dropped the tool, which is, oh, if I had 3 arms, that'd be great. Okay, it's right there. See that tool right there? And I just dropped it down the blue wire and just kind of let it fall into place. And so what we're going to try to do now is to get my goodness gracious, my extension in there and take it off. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, so we'll just have to see what happens. Well, looky there, right there. Yes, sirree, Bob. That was so much fun to get out of the depths of that engine. There's no room to reach, and so you literally have to go through the top, and you have to let the little oxygen sensor tool kind of slide down this blue wire, and then you hope you get it right there. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, okay. Yeah, he's been there for a while. He has been living there for a while. But let's go ahead and start her up, and we're going to see if she runs better, okay? Hopefully, this is the reason I'm getting those misfires on cylinders, what is it, 4, 5, 6? So we'll see. Let's hope it's going to be loud, because all the exhaust is going to go through that little hole. But let's see how she runs, okay? Little prayer, thank you very much, and let there be life. See? See how much better she runs? Yeah, all the exhaust is coming out of that little hole where the oxygen sensor was, and it's not getting all clogged up. So I'm going to call this a win. Ooh, don't look at my hair. Don't look at my face. Okay, it's been a tough day. But look at that. She runs pretty doggone good. Here, let's go out here and look. Okay, I think we solved one mystery. Hear that? Yeah. Let's see what she looks like running. Other than an idler pulley making a little squeak, she runs really, really good. Look at that. Who's a happy camper? I'm a happy camper. Oh my goodness. All right, so one problem solved. What we have to do is replace that cat. Maybe even replace 2 cats. Yeah, hear it coming out of the hole? Okay. All right, that's okay. So that's going to give us one win today. Now what we have to do is try to get into the trunk. And to do that, I've got to push this car outside. So I got to move that car, move this car, move all this stuff, take all this stuff down. Hey, beautiful. How you looking? Man, I'm pretty today. Okay. One problem solved, another one soon, another mystery soon to be unsolved. Okay, so the problem is I can't get in the trunk of the car, even with my new key that I got from the dealer, okay? Because when I bought the car, I didn't get the mechanical key, okay? That little metal part right there, that's your mechanical key. Let me see if I can take it out here. Yeah, see right there? Yeah, it's supposed to unlock the car. Supposed to, but it doesn't, and I don't want to break it or force it. Even on this side, it no worky work. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, and in all of my brilliance, I googled this. Okay, this under the rear seats. Okay, there's basically just 2 little flaps right here, and then on the other side, you push the little tab up, and the seat comes off. This is your vacuum system. This is for your trunk. This is for your door locks. So what you want to do is replace the one for the trunk. See if I can do this one-handed. Sorry about the camera work. Okay, I'm going to have to put the camera down. How can I do this? Let's see here. Okay, we'll try that. Let's see if that's going to work. He pushed it this way. Look at that. Okay, there's one. And if you push this, push the tab away, it should unlock it. Okay, let's see if this is going to work too. You don't want to break it. Come on. Oh, shite. Guess who just broke it? Mother son of a gun. Holy crap. Well, let's see what's this gonna do. Dag nabbit, that's gonna make me really upset. Okay. Come on. Come on out. Okay. So all we do, in theory, is put this, can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Right there. We're putting the trunk where the door locks used to go. Okay, now the guy in the video said it works real easy. He didn't break his tab either. So what you do, push the door unlock button, say a little prayer, and see what happens. You push the button, say a little prayer, see what happens. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing has happened. Okay. Do I not have a good seal? It's just like it's supposed to be. What if I lock it? Locked. Unlocked. Let's see what happens. Could this be? Could this be? Could this be? Dagnabbit. Holy camoly. Okay, well, we tried. We tried very... Okay, everybody memorize my license plate. Yep, everybody memorize that, because we're just going to put that all over YouTube land. It didn't work, dude. It did not work. Let's try one more thing. Let's just do one more thing. We're going to go back the old-fashioned way. Start up the car. Push the trunk release. And see what happens. Because I don't think it's going to work. Let's just see. Okay, here we go. Trunk button. Mighty trunk button. Please, please, please. Nothing. Nothing. Let's just see what's going to happen. Okay. She sounds like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Whew. Lola, you ready to go? You ready to take this for the car wash? You ready to go? Say hi. All right, so we're in the 320. Can you hear it? Here, let's give you the full effect. Here we go, listen to this. Yeah. That's it. Isn't that lovely? Let's go to the car wash. Let's see how we do, okay? She sounds like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Which is fine, because she's driving. That's a big thing. She's actually driving. Are we going to switch gears? The brakes are good. Steering wheel is really, really dirty. Of course, we got the check engine light on. That's from when the cat was clogged and there was no place for the exhaust to exit the vehicle. Yeah, I had the misfires. Cylinder 456. You okay? Okay. People are kind of looking. That's okay. Dude, what are you doing? He's gonna let this person go. Yeah, we have nice drivers here in Oklahoma. Super nice drivers. Ooh. We're just gonna go to a quick little car wash. And I think we changed gears already. We switched gears. Aha! That's a P.B. Herman laugh. Okay. Let's go to the car wash and get her all nice and cleaned up. Does the radio work? I forgot. I don't even know. Oh, I need the code. That sound is kind of obnoxious. Yeah. Oh, look what's in here. I have the code. Code. Okay, 11263. When we get up here, we'll put the code in and see what happens. 11263. 11263. Is anybody behind me? No. Okay. Here we go. 11263. Nope. Oh, you gotta have to hit the enter. 11263, and then okay. And we do have a battery, a radio. And this sounds horrible. The engine sounds good, but the exhaust sounds terrible, but she's driving so well. This makes me very happy. So what do I do, folks? Well, first thing I'm gonna do is roll up the window. Do I simply have an exhaust shop put on a new catalytic converter, or do I buy one on eBay for $263? We're gonna do probably what is least expensive. Okay, I think the cheapest one I saw on eBay was $263. We'll get a quote from an exhaust place. We're gonna give her a bath if people don't get too upset when I pull up. Okay, we're back from the car wash, and I think she came out really nice, except for this right here. Look at that. That's what leaked from the mirror. Look at that, and I can't get that off, so I'm going to try some wax cleaner and see if that works. I tried WD-40. That did not, but let me give you a better view. For $600, Lola likes it. Hi, Lola. What do you think? You like it? Yeah, that's what you sound like when you're excited. Okay. So here it is in all of her glory, all of her little beauty. Little $600 car. I think she looks good. This window tinting isn't as scratched up as the other. Tires, iffy. But, you know, it wouldn't be Monkey Wrench Mike if the tires weren't iffy. And the front looks, how pretty. Okay. Look at her. Look how pretty. Okay, one more time, Lola. This is your chance. Impress me. Impress me. Nothing. I got nothing here, folks. All right, kids, what have we learned today? Well, we learned that to take out an oxygen sensor, it's a real PETA. You have to have a really long extension bar. You have to go through the top with a little swivel thing on the end, and you got to give it a big old push. And then you got to go little by little by little by little by little by little till you unscrew it. But once it's out and the engine can breathe, you have a car that will go to the car wash. We have also learned not everything you see on the internet is true. Yeah, I hate to bust your chops, okay? Dude, thank you for the video. I actually saw two that said that would work. It just didn't work in my car. So maybe it's locked. Maybe Jimmy Hoffa is in the trunk of my car. I don't know. So we're going to have to figure out what we can do. Maybe, I just don't know. Break through a taillight. I don't know. So we're going to have some fun and see if we can maybe go through the back seat and do that. I don't know. But we're making strides. We are making progress on this grandma's car, and I think it's going to be a fun little car. I'm going to get her washed, get her vacuumed, make her look pretty, and then we're going to figure out how to open the trunk. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and have a terrific Monkey Wrench Mike day, okay? All right, bye, everybody.